Imagine that right now, the Earth stopped rotating around the Sun. Not slowed down. Not gradually. Just stopped. The first thing that is important to understand is that we will not fall into the Sun. The Earth moves around the Sun at a speed of approximately 30 kilometers per second. If orbital motion were to disappear, the Earth would continue to fly in a straight line, into outer space. It's as if a stone spinning on a rope was suddenly released. For the first few minutes, nothing will change. The sky will be the same. Day and night will continue, but the Earth will already be moving away from the heat source. In a few days, the temperature will begin to drop rapidly. In a few days, the temperature will begin to drop rapidly. The oceans will begin to freeze from the surface. But freezing will only occur from above. Beneath the thick layer of ice, the ocean will remain liquid for some time due to the planet's internal heat. The sunlight will become weaker every day because the distance between the Earth and the Sun will constantly increase. In a few months, the average temperature will drop below -40 degrees Celsius. Most plants will die because photosynthesis can no longer function without sufficient light. Without plants, a chain reaction will begin. Herbivores will disappear first, then predators. Power grids will become overloaded. People will try to compensate for the cold with electricity and fuel. But these resources won't last long. Most of humanity depends on solar energy indirectly, through food. Within a year, the Earth's surface will become an almost completely frozen desert. Temperatures may drop below -100 degrees, but humanity may not disappear completely. Below the Earth's surface, temperatures are much higher. The deeper you go, the warmer it gets. This warmth may be humanity's last hope. Geothermal energy will become the main source of survival. People will build cities deep underground, but oxygen will gradually become depleted. Without plants, its production will decline sharply. We'll have to create artificial ecosystems, small, closed worlds underground. Meanwhile, the Earth continues to move away. The Sun becomes just a bright star in the sky. In decades, the surface will become a solid ice shell kilometers thick. But the Earth's core is still hot. And as long as it's hot, life is theoretically possible. In thousands of years, Earth will become a wandering planet alone in interstellar space. She will no longer belong to any star, just a cold ball flying through the void. And all this will happen not because the Earth stopped, but because it stopped falling around the Sun. But the most amazing thing is that the Earth won't explode. It will simply become a wandering planet. Such planets already exist in the universe. They do not orbit a star. In theory, the Earth could fly in darkness for millions of years. But the chance of colliding with another star is extremely small. If Earth gets close to another star, it could be captured by its gravity. And then it all starts again. New year. New dawn. But the probability of this is almost zero. The Earth will most likely remain cold forever. It's all because of one simple fact. Orbit is a constant fall past the Sun. If you remove movement, you remove balance. We live because the Earth never stops. Orbital arrest isn't an explosion. It's silence. Slow, cold, cosmic silence. Sometimes disaster is not destruction. Sometimes a disaster is just a stop in traffic.